to? Steak?
Oh no!
What's poppin', everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Dani, and if you love sneakers and streetwear, then this channel is for you, so feel free to hit that subscribe button. Kamusta na, guys? It's been a while. Sorry if I haven't been posting lately. I've been helping my family move into a new house, kaya na busy si girl. Anyway, for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to clean your sneakers using Clyde Shoe Cleaner, one of the OG shoe cleaning products here in the Philippines. Yes guys, proudly local sila, and I am so thankful to the Clyde team for sending me this PR package. Ang ganda ng packaging niya, guys, para siyang shoe box. And inside the box, we have this cute socks. We have this Clyde Odor Eliminator. Bale, this one is 424 pesos ito, guys. Here we also have a Suede and Nubuck care kit, 449 pesos ito, guys. Alright, so next we have the Clyde water and stain repellent. Maganda to, guys. I will show you later kung paano siya gamitin. It is 643 pesos. We have the activated charcoal odor and mildew control. 3 pairs siya kasama. It is 284 pesos lang, guys. So you can leave this inside ng shoes mo para mas ma-control niya yung odor sa loob ng sneakers mo. Next, we have this Clyde leather de la creme. So this one is 429 pesos. And lastly, we have the Clyde cleaning kit. So dito sa loob, guys, may kasama na siyang towel, 2 brushes here, and the Clyde shoe cleaner and conditioners. It is 761 pesos. So sulit na rin siya, guys, kasi you can clean multiple sneakers na with this. Alright, so I think that's it. Now, let's start cleaning. The sneakers that I will be cleaning today is this Jordan pair, which is actually my friend's shoes. Shout out to Darlene, kasi I mentioned it to her the other day, and syempre, naki-avail din si girl. Pero what are friends for, diba? So as you can see, multi-material itong pair na to. So I will start cleaning the upper part first, then pababa. Last na ang outsole. Okay, so first, I will be taking out the shoelaces kasi ito yung last na ililinis natin. Medyo matagal to, guys, so fast forward ko na lang muna. I will be cleaning this first pair muna, so tabi ko muna tong right pair. And then yung shoelace nito, itabi ko na lang din muna. Get the horsehair brush. Ito yung mas soft na brush, guys. Brush na lang yung excess dirt na nasa sneakers. Next, we will be pouring the Clyde Shoe Cleaner and Conditioner. Ang ilagay mo na solution dito is 1 part cleaner and 3 to 4 parts of water. So as you can see, ito yung water natin. And then I will be placing some of the Clyde solution. So 1 part of 3 to 4 parts. So, bali, I will start the cleaning dito sa upper part ng shoe. I recommend this kasi if you start dito sa midsole and sole, tas malinis na siya, tas lilinisin mo yung upper part, yung dumi ng upper part, baka bababa rin sa midsole. So, I recommend starting here dito sa upper ng sneaker. And guys, please take out the excess water sa brush. As you can see here, guys, I'll show a close-up. Kinda may cracks na siya. So, ingatan natin part na to para hindi matuluyan mag-crack yung dito. So, I will start muna dito sa side. And then, clean until mag-foam. So, nag-foam na siya konti. And then, wipe ko. Wow, galing. Okay, then get more solution. Then brush. Tingnan nyo, guys, dito pa lang, look at the difference. Galing. Next, I will go dito na sa harap. I'm gonna do it gently para hindi natin damage yung sneaker. And guys, wipe nyo kaagad kasi mas better na hindi magtagal yung solution sa sneaker. So, once you see na mag-foam na, i-wipe nyo na kaagad. So, there's like a spot here. I will try to remove that. Okay, so hindi siya natuluyan nag-crack, guys. So, please go gentle lang dito sa mga parts na tingin nyo yung like may mag-crack na. Ayan, so malinis na siya. Okay, next, let's go to the other side. Tsaka guys, ang bango nitong Clyde Cleaner ah. Gusto ko yung kanyang parang scent. Clean dito na banda sa may part ng inner lining ng sneaker. Next is the tongue. Don't forget the tongue, guys. Alright, so there guys, as you can see, malinis na yung upper. Ano nga pala guys, if you didn't know, ang Clyde Shoe Cleaner and Conditioner is formulated with disinfectant. So, if kayo yung type of person na dinadala nyo yung shoes nyo sa loob ng bahay, ayan, if you clean your shoes with Clyde, may disinfectant na po siya. So, safe siya. Alright, so next, we will be cleaning the midsole and the outsole. Para dito guys, ang gamitin ko is itong white brush kasi mas matigas siya. So, mas matanggal niya yung dirt, especially dito sa mid and sa outsole na mas matigas yung material niya. I will now get some of the solution and then start cleaning the midsole. And dito sa may bubble guys, don't forget, and wipe. As makita nyo, pumuti na siya konti. Remember to check the bubble also. Baka may maiwan kayo na solution dito. Kung mag-ano kayo ng mga Air Max nyo, do check out and always wipe it after cleaning. Alright, I think we're done. So, next we are going to the outsole. Ito yung pinakamahirap na part guys kasi ito yung part ng sneaker that touches the floor and kung saan-saan tayo pumupunta. And if there are parts here, like yung mga maliliit na parang edges, and hindi mo matanggal, you can use earbuds or cotton buds to clean that part. But I think nakukuha naman siya ng brush ng Clyde. Ayan o, nasasali talaga siya. Like that. Iba-ibang direction. Then wipe, wipe, wipe. Alright, I think I'm done. So pag tapos na kayo maglinis nung whole sneaker, set aside nyo muna, and it says here na you should let it dry indoors. So sa loob ng bahay, okay na. So itabi ko na muna to, and then we'll be cleaning the shoelaces. So all you need to do is place the shoelaces dito sa solution with the water, and then squeeze it, and then put it back sa solution. Ano yung kung mag-hand wash kayo guys. Pwede yung gawin dito sa shoelace para matanggal talaga yung dirt niya. Alright, so after cleaning your shoelaces, you can set it aside na rin to let it dry. Okay guys, so we will be doing the same process dito sa other pair. Alright guys, so now I'll be teaching you how to use their Clyde, Suede, and Nubuck care kit. So inside the care kit guys, ang laman nito is one cleaning block and one premium horsehair brush. Kasama na siya sa kit. So ganitong itsura nung cleaning block nila guys. Okay, so first, I'll show you lang example. I'm using my Ama Manier Jordan 3. So ito. As you can see, may dirt siya dito sa part nito ng suede. So, let's clean that. Remember to just do one motion, guys, when using this. Actually, ang use nitong horsehair brush is ganyan, no? So, you can brush the suede back to its original form. There. It's clean na. Did you see yung part kanina guys? Na mayroong parang dark part dito. Ayan, natanggal na siya. Alright, so let me find another dark part. Ito. See this? Yan, i-brush natin. There. Nawala yung dark part niya. You can use this for any color of your suede. And then, yung shampoo, you can use that also in any color of your sneakers. Ganun lang siya kadali, guys. So, sulit rin ito if you buy one of their Suede and Nubuck cleaning kit. Kasi madali mo lang malinis yung mga suede sneakers nyo. So, there. That's how you use the Clyde, Suede, and Nubuck care kit. Alright guys, so it's clean na. As you can see, malinis na ang shoe ni Darlene. So next, we are gonna spray some Clyde Odor Eliminator para mabango ang shoes ng friend ko. And guys, you can use this sa mga caps nyo din or sa bags, sports gear, and also in your room. And it is also formulated with disinfectant. So now I'll be spraying the shoe. Wow, ang bango. Parang siyang lavender na parang scent. Ang bango niya. Alright? So next, I will be using the Clyde Water and Stain Repellent para safe yung sneaker ng friend ko. So kung may matapunan sa kanya ng ketchup, ng soda sa shoes niya, mahuhulog na lang siya magsaslide. So safe na safe siya. Alright? So I'll be spraying this right pair first. Alright, so I already sprayed this one. Now let's go to the next pair. Okay guys, so after spraying your sneakers with the Clyde Water and Stain Repellent, pa-dry nyo lang siya for 24 hours. Tapos kung gusto nyo mas protected yung sneakers nyo, you can repeat the process again. So spray nyo lang sila ulit with a second coating and then dry it for 24 hours ulit and then you're done.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot. And if a nigga get an attitude, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm going Sean Don and I roll up the sleeve 'cause I got it going on.
Here's your shoes. Ano to, boy? Tingnan mo shoes mo. Nalinis ko na.
Uy! Ito ba yun? Is this the same shoe?
Ah.
Very well done. Wala na to.
Stain?
Joke
Hoy!
lang. Thank you. Baka binila mo ko ng bago
Bye da!
Thank you.
Welcome! See you soon!
So that's the end of this video. You can shop these Clyde products on Shopee, Lazada, and Zalora. I will place the links below so you can check them out. Also, if you want to see the water and stain repellent test, I'll be posting it on my socials, so do follow me at streetbydani on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram so you won't miss it. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to all First Team for sending me this awesome t-shirt. Super comfy siya, guys, and to all the ballers out there, magugustuhan nyo talaga yung designs nila, and their shirts are really comfy and ang ganda ng baksak. So, #support local. Thank you again for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you on the next one. Dani out!